Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Just want to make a very quick update here for Bitcoin. This is comparing Bitcoin to gold back in the 1970s. Back in the 70s was when inflation was running hot as well. Inflation is going to continue to run hot. It's going to continue to come back up and peek its head up again. Not only with the printing money that's going to come when Trump takes office, but if you watch this most important chart on the planet, you will understand exactly why inflation is going to start ramping up again a bit. Um, so what I want to say in this, I'm going to keep this very short and sweet. If you want the more updated videos, if you want the more of the education on it or more of the buy and sell alerts, come on into our live training room. There's a link below in the description. There is a Black Friday deal running right now. We have a fantastic group of members, lots of buy and sell alerts, great education, and all that good stuff. What I want to put out here is the next dip. Look at this dip. The next dip, guys, is probably your last chance. Look at this. When this starts running after the breakout, after the consolidation, after the I mean, you could put a few different names on this. You could put a pressure cooker. You could put a cup and handle type pattern. You could put a U-shaped pattern. You could put a bullish, a Darwin box pattern, a bullish flag type pattern in an uptrend. There's many different types of names you could throw on this pattern, but when it does break out, and if you get anywhere near of a retest of the lows, or sorry, of the highs, but the lows of the structure, if there's any sort of dip here, right, it's probably your last chance. Do not fear the dip, right? Do not fear the dip. Now, what I will say here is that gold back in the 70s ran, and we'll just we'll take it from the highs, right? Now, of course, it's 340%, and we'll take it from these previous highs here, 340%. So you can see it is actually up there just above $300,000, right? So somewhere there. Of course, it doesn't have to completely, uh, history rhymes, but history rhymes, but it does not repeat. I think is what I'm trying to say. So you can see there, roughly in the same ballpark. But the structure and the pattern. This is a multi-year structure on Bitcoin. You can see. Now, I've made a video on this in the past, guys, before we've even made this structure here. And if you come into the live trading room, you can watch the old videos on it and stuff. But I've been watching this develop for a long time. Look at the moving average structure here. We even teach this moving average structure in our live trading room. Now, it looks slightly different on different time frames, but you need to look at different time frames to understand the structure of it. But I don't have time in this video, obviously, to go into that. I want to make this a little bit bigger there, just so you can see. But what I'm trying to get at, guys, there will likely be a flush here somewhere. The next dip is your last, okay? And that is the way I think it's going to play out. There doesn't be many, look here, see when you go parabolic, there does not be many dips. So if we are lucky enough to get a flush here, you need to be prepared, right? You need to be prepared. You need to understand the structure. You need to understand the retest. You need to understand the buying pressure. As long as we are holding above here, the likelihood is, guys, that we are never going below 69,000 ever again. That's gone. That's history. That's finito. I don't know what words you want to put on that, but the likelihood is that, that is gone forever, right? We can see what happened. Gold. Now, where did gold go? Well, we all know where gold is. Gold is still going, right? So this is something that's going to happen. Bitcoin. We are here. We are here. This is the long-term outlook for Bitcoin. So, you can do what you want with that information. This is just all old trend lines and stuff. So let me put this back up here, just so you can see it, so you can understand it. This is just this leg. This is this bull run. Here's your next bull run. Well, I mean, are we going to have this long consolidation phase? Nobody knows. Bitcoin usually moves faster than gold, and we have to think that'll continue, right? Of course, it'll slow down as the asset grows, of course, but it is going to grow in size every single day now. There's companies, countries, and all that sort of good stuff buying Bitcoin and turning it into a reserve asset. Not only that, if you check, there is nobody selling Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up here, and the long-term holders are not selling whatsoever. It is unprecedented because usually when Bitcoin breaks out to all-time highs, the people start to sell. People are waking up here, and people are not selling Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to have to get extremely extended here for people to start selling. Anyway, guys, that's it. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. I'm 5 minutes into the video. If you want more help on this, if you want some trades, if you want some education, if you want a group of fantastic members, come on in, check us out. The link is below in the description. Do not miss this next dip. That could be our last dip. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the live trading room.